In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create an About Us page in Shopify. Now, this process is quite simple and straightforward, but let's delve into each step to ensure we do this correctly. Let's begin from the control point of our online store. So just go ahead and open up your Shopify admin panel. Once you have the Shopify admin page open before you, navigate through the interface, and you'll find an option titled Online Store. This option is typically located in the left-hand sidebar of the page. Once you've found Online Store, the next step is to click on that option. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. On that menu, you will see a couple more options. Our focus right now is on the option titled Pages. So, we're going to use our cursor to hover over that menu, and then, when we've located Pages, we are going to click on it. Now, as soon as Pages opens up, search for the button labeled Add Page and click on it. By doing this, a new blank page gets created, ready for you to add content to it. Now, you will see fields we need to fill out to shape our page. The topmost field you see will be the title field. This is where we need to enter the name of our page. In our case, we'll be naming our page About Us. So, go ahead and type About Us into the title field. Moving along now, below the title field is the content field. This is where we can pour our thoughts for the visitors to see. In this section, your job is to enter all the necessary information you would like to convey about your online store. Share the story of your brand, include your values, or talk about the team behind the scenes. Remember, this is your chance to create a connection with your customers. Now that the content has been entered, let's move forward. You'll see a section labeled Visibility. At this point, you need to select the option that says Visible. Choosing this makes your page accessible to all your site visitors. Finally, after all the necessary information has been entered and settings fixed, now is the time to hit the Save button. This immortalizes your page on your Shopify store, making it ready for visitors to view and learn about your brand. And there you have it. You have successfully created an About Us page on your Shopify online store. This customized page will now help you connect better with your customers, offering them insights about your brand. This step-by-step tutorial was designed to make the process quick and easy for you. Feel free to go back through these steps anytime you need help.